Hello everyone, this is a seminar of online maths, and in this lesson we'll have to solve this problem before us, okay? And we have to bear in mind that x and y are positive integers, okay? So we are given this to solve. We have that x plus xy, right? Plus xy plus y plus, okay, plus y, everything is equal to what? 76. And it's always dangerous to look for um, two letters at the same time when you are having one equation. But this information here can help us to get something reasonable. Okay, so now in the first two terms, notice that x is common. So if I factor out x here, I'll have x divided by x is 1 plus xy divided by x is y plus, coming here, I have y equal to what? 76. Now, if you look at this, you notice that this is y, this is y, but the difference between this one and this one is that there is a 1 here. What if I decide to add 1? And then I have to add 1 here because whatever you do to one side, you must do it to another side. So this is what we are having. Notice now that 1 plus y is common, right? So you can decide to factor it out, 1 plus y. Then we have, when you divide this by x, when you divide this by this, you are having x. When you divide this by itself, it will give you 1. And everything is equal to 77 because 76 plus 1 is 77. Now, from here, notice that x and y must be positive integers. It must not be negative. It must not be fraction or decimal. It must be positive integers, okay? We have 77. We all know that two numbers that will multiply to give 77 can be 1 and 77, and then 7 and 11, right? But you have to know one thing here, that this is already 1, and for y and x to be positive integers, it means that the least value y or x can take can be 1. The smallest value y and x can take can be 1 because they are all positive integers. So assuming y is 1, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. So we can't take anything like 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. We cannot take 1. So you see that both 1 plus y and x plus 1 are all greater than or equal to what? Are all greater than or equal to 2. That is the least value they can take. So they cannot take 1. Hence, this is the only acceptable condition, 7 times 11. So either that the first one is 7 and the second one is 11, or the first one is 11 or the second one is 7, because 7 times 11 is 77, 11 times 7 is still 77. Now let's take the first condition. 1 plus y is equal to 7. This implies that y is 6 because 7 minus 1 will give me 6. Now, x plus 1 is 11. X plus 1 is equal to 11. That implies that x is equal to 10. 11 minus 1 will give us 10. So you've seen the first condition, either that x is equal to 10 and y is what? 6. If you substitute this, you are getting 76. A second condition is either 1 plus y is 11. 1 plus y is equal to 11. This means that y is what? 10. 11 minus 1 is 10. Also, x plus 1 is 7. X plus 1 is equal to 7. That implies that x is 6. 7 minus 1 will give us 6. So the second solution can be where x is 6, this 6, and the y is 10. Y is 10. So this is the value that can satisfy, these are the values that can satisfy this given equation, okay? There could be other values you can check. What if we say that x is 0 and then y is 76. Can this work? X is 0. We shall have, if x is 0, we have 0 plus 0 times y is 76 plus y is 76. Can this give us 76? Yes, because everything here is 0. So this can be a solution. Or another solution can be where x is now 76 and y is 0. If you use this value also, you will get a solution. So these are the possible solutions to this equation. Bye.